Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashu Sharma. Today we will see data structure in Python. So we start with some of the function of how to perform that on the list structure. Now we will see purpose of remove function. So we will create one new list. Here we are going to create a new list and put some elements over there inside this list. We will see how to remove elements from the list using remove function, what exactly it do. So here we have this new list. Now we use this function new list dot remove, and we pass this value 2 over here. Now this is that we have. Now we are going to print modified list. For run this script, you require shift enter, or you simply press on this button, and now you see that 2 is appearing. The first 2 is appearing over here in this list is going to be removed. So what exactly this remove function do? It does that from the left hand side, if suppose element appearing more than once, so from the leftmost side, which that value appears first, that instance of that value, that is going to be removed, because 2 is appearing 2 times, but from the left this 2 is here, so this 2 is going to be removed and this 2 is already there. Okay, so now we take another that example, new list dot remove. Now we want to remove hello, so we simply type hello, and then we save this program. Never forget to save this program, because this is important for auto save purpose. Now run this program. So you will see that we are going to print this value. So print new list again, save this, and then run. Now see, second outcome, hello is not here. So this is that remove we have, in which we can see that this remove is removing that element that starts from the left to right scanning, and the leftmost instance of that value that is present in the list is removing. So this is that remove advantage that we have when we perform this function for this purpose in the list. Now we are using pop function again. So we create another list. Suppose L1 is equals to, we take values, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we try to pop one of that element, L1 dot pop, and we put this 2 over here, and then print L1, save this program, and then run. So now we see what is the outcome, that is 1, 2, 4. So indexing start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. So at second index position 3 is here, so 3 is removed while putting this index value 2 inside this function and print that modified list. So this is the way that remove and pop, both these functions work. Now next functions are max and min. How to find max of value from the list and minimum of value from the list. So we can check the max and min value in a list by using max and min function. So let us on same list we perform this using print function max, and L1 is our list name, and print min, and L2 is our list name. Now save this and run this. So let us see what is the outcome. That is 4 is that outcome, because 4 is that value which is we have, that is going to be that max value. So here is name 12. Okay, so let us be type this value L2. So we have this list L1. We just change this and then save and run. So now see, max and min value will come. 4 is the max value and 1 is minimum value that is in the list. So here is max of L1 is 4 and minimum of that L1 is 1. So this is that we have while applying these two functions on the list. Next function that we will see is appending an element to a list. Append adds an element to the end of the list. So we have, suppose, another list we create, suppose L2 and 5, 6, 7, 8. This is that list we have, and we want to append an element, suppose 9, end of the list. So L2 dot append, and put 9 over here like that, and then print this list. So print L2. Now see what is that outcome that we have. Now see that in the list we have, initially we had 5, 6, 7, 8. Using this append function and put this 9 value into the list, so it becomes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So append function generally add an element at the end of the list. This is that we have only one element can be appended at the end. Multiple values cannot be added. So this is the limitation of append, that we can add only a single value at the end of the list, not the multiple values. If we try to add multiple values, it will throw error for us. For appending multiple elements, we have extend function. So using that function, we can add these multiple values end of the list. Let us see. With the same list, L2 dot extend, and put this square bracket over here, and suppose we have 10, 11 and 12. These three values are here, and now print L2 again. Let us see what will happen. Print L2. Now save this and run this script. Now see. So see, initially we had these 5 values, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have these 3 values after using that extend. So if anyone asks you what is the difference between append and extend function, append only adds single value at the end of the list, but extend, you can add multiple values at the end of the list. So as this result also shows us that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only single value is added, but when we use extend, multiple values added into the list. So this is the advantage of extend function over append function. Now when we talk about that inserting a new value into a list, uh, we may use insert function that will insert a new value into the list. So suppose for the same that L2 list that we have already modified, we are using suppose insert function, and then we see the result what happened. L2 dot insert. Along with this, that we are putting two values over here inside the function. One is that index value, and other is that value we are going to insert. So suppose we put this 1 comma 101. Now print this L2 again. See what will be the result. Now see. So you may see the outcome that 5 is here at 0th index and 101 is here at first index position. So rest of the value that previously we have, that 6 shifted towards second index position, 7 third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the way that values are shifting from this position where that element is inserted. So element is inserted at first index position because we pass first index position along with that element we are going to insert and modify the list. So this is the result: 5 at 0th, 101 at first index, and then rest of the element shifted that towards right side from its position by 1. That is the advantage of insert. Now suppose we want to sort the elements that is present in the list. So there is a function, sort function, to use for sorting purpose. Let us see the effect of that sort function. L2 dot sort, and suppose we have this list is already there, so we simply print this first, try to run. Now see, this is that we have, that is elements. Initially elements were not sorted, but after using this function, sort function, these elements are sorted: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 101. So this is that basic purpose of sort. So today we saw that one is that use of remove, how to use remove, and then we saw that pop, that works on index position. Remove directly works on that value of that present in the list. Then we saw max and min function. After that we practiced about append and extend, what are the dissimilarities, and after that insert and sort. So these are basic functions that we have put it on new data, that list data structure. Thank you so much for being with us for this session. If you like this video, please subscribe this and press the tab button, that bell tab button, so that whenever I will put this type of videos on YouTube, definitely you will get the notification. Thank you so much.